Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Battle Boost tokens to your smart wallet. And we'll also cover some key features like Ultima, freeze, and splitting. If these terms sound a bit confusing, don't worry, I'll break it down in a simple step. So let's start. How do you withdraw your Battle Boost tokens to your smart wallet? Simply open the Battle Boost bot and make sure you've linked your smart wallet. If you haven't, there should be a prompt or a tutorial in the settings to help you set it up. Once your wallet is ready, head to the withdraw section in the bot. Choose the number of Boost tokens you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Now, here's why using a smart wallet is essential. It's not just a regular wallet, it's designed to handle blockchain transactions securely, allowing you to store, transfer, or even participate in things like airdrops. So make sure your smart wallet is set up properly before withdrawing. Okay, let's talk about Ultima. If you clicked on the Boost tokens in your smart wallet, you might have seen this term pop up. Ultima is basically a feature that boosts your tokens. Think of it as an advanced staking tool where your tokens can grow over time. The more tokens you stake under Ultima, the higher your potential earnings. It's a great way to maximize the value of your tokens if you're planning to hold on to them for a while. Now, moving on to freeze, this one's pretty interesting. When you freeze your tokens, you're essentially locking them up for a specific period. Why would you do that? Well, freezing tokens often gives you additional rewards or privileges. For example, some systems use this feature to let you vote on platform decisions or earn extra benefits during events like airdrops. It's like putting your tokens in a savings account that earns interests. Lastly, let's cover splitting. This feature allows you to divide your Boost tokens into smaller portions. Why would you want to do that? Simple. Splitting is super useful when you're managing multiple transactions or planning to send tokens to different accounts. For instance, if you want to transfer a portion of your tokens while keeping the rest in Ultima or Freeze, splitting makes it easy to do that without messing up your balance. And there you have it. Now you know how to withdraw your Battle Boost tokens to your smart wallet and what features like Ultima, Freeze, and Splitting means. These tools are super handy for managing your tokens efficiently and earn more along the way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.